Yeah, what's going on, buddy? Fuck. I should have done this before I put the paint on. I didn't. Other than a steel bar.
So the thing, so you're trying to pound it out with
yeah.
that? Okay.
Worse than that. So this is the tool. Okay, so this is the tool I bought for the bottom one, right?
Yeah.
And it's way too large. How are you supposed to get? Oh, maybe it compresses.
Yeah, you just squeeze it.
Right? Yeah, that ain't gonna do shit because that's gonna come right up. Yeah. Maybe it's for a different bike or something.
Maybe you could use it for the top one though.
That's not. Okay, so it looks like it's stuck in here. Pull that frame. Yeah. Damn. That is in there.
Oh yeah.
Slid off. Maybe I was supposed to remove that to give it a sharper edge, but that ain't working at all, really. Oh!
Nice.
Damn, boy!
Nice. You just had to loosen it up.
I think that paint on top of it
Kinda
wasn't helping.
glued it in too, yeah.
And the 40 years of... I don't want to destroy it, but I don't want to not move forward.
Right.
I only paid like $12 for it.
Oh, fuck it. Oh.
Okay. I think I can do it, but it's going to take time. It's going to take readjustments because it wants to pop back in.
Shit, that should be good.
But I can use the welder to get this out. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is fucked up.
It's in there that time. Well, at least I know by bending it I can catch it. Yeah, I mean I'll eventually get it. It's just gonna take more pressure and more time. Thought about. The thing is, I didn't know this was in here. I didn't know there was stuff in here that you had to take out for the bearings.
Damn.
I'll get it eventually. If nothing else, I'll use a welder and get it out because it'll shrink that ring, I guess. I'd be able to get it, but it just wants to not. If I get it out and I twist these, that's what's up. Okay, that probably was the only one I was hitting with. So I'm gonna use the. There we go. Now.
Nice. I like the sound of that.
Still, where I bend these little guys out, because now there's two there. Oh, boy!
Oh yeah.
Yep, this is I should have either known how to use it or just decided that it was a one-time tool. It wasn't that expensive though. Yep. Does that fit either one of them? That looks wrong. That looks the same. Now was it like, I think it was like this, right?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna probably clean this up and hit it with some, well, doesn't look that bad, but I do want to clean this up. Yeah, they're right. That should work. I just want the steering column to feel nice. Bite me. I think I'm gonna do the, but I have to buy things to do the compression thing, which I'm not sure what to buy.